Wow! Oh! Babalik daw niya, Wens. Ay, ko napwit. Ibabalik daw niya, ibabalik niya. Mo?
Moching Sam Faisal Bob. Part 1, Moching Sam Faisal Bob. Parang pagod pa ako.
Pagod. Napagod. Napagod.
Faisal!
Nice game. I will upload it in my YouTube. Nakita ko na nila.
Give me your first.
Faisal.
Yeah, we will send it in the group.
Ay! Next ha, next. Sorry, next. Julie Berlin Shell Wendy.
Fourth one?
Ay, pa si Julio.
Sige lang, matapos na yan.
Ba't lagi magka-partner si Nia?
Here's my Sam Mosi.
Faisal!
Dapat pasimple ka lang. Pag nakita ka, bisitahin. Huwag na nga. Pwede, parang pasimple ganyan. Ganun ginagawa nila. Saka sa green bagay siya sa green. Green and blue.
Wow! Ano ba yun, El? Uncle El!
I-reels ko yan.
Uncle El, lang gigigil ako sa'yo, ha? Uncle El!
Pag tumalon siya, ano siya? Kangaroo? Hindi. Panda.
Uy! Ay, Uncle El!
Ay, sorry.
May narinig ka ba ng hindi Uncle El!
Out.
Ano ba yan? Uncle El! Ang dami mong fans! Who inside out? Out? Light! Out!
Right.
Ulit!
Wawa, ang five. Doon ka nga. Doon sa taas.
Ayoko!
Oh! Pogi!
Pogi mo sa Uncle El! Ang haba ng biyak!
Sumaba ba?
Hindi ka talaga papasok sa langit ng bawang mo.
Oh, yun. Talon! Oops! Oh! Mas pumogi ka doon.
Cheering squad. Asa ang phone ko?
Hello, next. Masud Jojo.
Sino? Jojo,
Jojo, Masud, Rex, Cello.
Yung kapartner mo.
Pagalingin.
English lang tayo ha.
Natalo na kami. Sure.
We targeted you.
I told he is coming and telling, give to Shari. I heard you're telling him. See? Already people are weak, they want to kill them. Allow people to grow.
You will grow. You will grow on that. That is a benefit for you, advantage.
Yeah, yes.
All the balls is for you.
He's telling. Shari played very well.
You know the good ball? You know the good ball?
Too many goals.
Hindi pa siya
La,
masyadong
la, la, la. Ano ba, maganda pa this
lagay
goal.
ng bola na doon mismo sa ano.
Give to Shari. He's telling.
But Ellie cannot do it most of the time, especially if he's running now. Yeah.
Now always they will say, tomorrow Shari is only in the list. Give them, beat them.
And give the one left side.
Yeah, Smashers Club.
At least for my psychological satisfaction, I wrote smash it. Otherwise, I'm not will.
But that is advantage, no? You will learn a lot if you're taking all the balls.
It's okay, inshallah. One day will come. You wait. Baba, we will not
Oh my gosh!
We are Indians. We keep our fingers like this, not like this.
Click, I need training.
See the fight. See we are the
Always give me quality.
I congratulate you, no?
See, at least our coach is helping us.
Sorry, first. Now, your next opponent, Ulin. Then, next.
Next partner. Partner, friend. Opposite, kill.
But that is,
Opposite is like injured and stuff. Otherwise, colleagues. Yeah, then together.
but we are aware again for Smash. Your partners are
Colin is
Smasher.
playing
Yeah.
maybe 2 years, 3 years before me.
Ah,
He started. She only introduced me to badminton. I never thought I can play badminton in life. But she said, come sister, come. I just came. Otherwise, I don't know badminton. I saw Poli's WhatsApp status, she's playing badminton. She was my star. So I asked her, where you are playing? Because we chat. You know, now she became permanent staff. During COVID pandemic, she was my staff. Now permanent, I moved her to Rashid Hospital.
You move.
Dubai Hospital. Yeah. So we are like in nursery, we bring lot of outsourced people, we train, then we make them confirm.
During
and
pandemic, you were already playing?
say, no,
I
I was not playing, but she was playing.
Yeah. Badminton.
Oh God, she specifies. She specified badminton. Run. Inside.
Oh, tamang-tama. Pag
There is another way. This is almost good. I think we're coaching. She was my